That's good.
How are we looking for SHOT Show?
For SHOT Show?
Yeah.
That's an excellent question. I think we're a little behind what we usually would be for.
I think we're always behind. That's not something new.
Oh no, I mean we're always behind, but I think we're a little more behind.
Think so?
Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like we're a little more behind, but we're gonna pull it off. That's for sure. That's just what we do.
We're pulling it off.
That's just what we do. So that'll happen. But yeah, prototypes are moving along. We actually probably have more models next year than we had this year. A lot of cool stuff, a lot of interesting stuff for sure. Just like always. That's what we do.
And then, Leo, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling hurting. That's how I feel right now. But I'm good. Yeah, SHOT Show. We love it. We hate it. It's a hate and love relationship with that goddamn show.
Yeah. Especially right now.
Yeah, but we always pull it off at the end of on the 24th. We'll be loving it again.
Yeah, we'll love SHOT Show as soon as
January
it's over.
24th.
yeah, we'll love it again as soon as it's over.
Yeah.
Till we have to do it next year again.